What up? It's Jeffrey and welcome back to what's this game called? Mario+Rabbids Kingdom Battle. We're gonna be doing 2-9. It came from the freezer. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna be fighting this prick, this gigantic prick. Guys, this guy is like big. Not me like big, like he is gigantic. I don't even know how I'm supposed to do this. Like he is gigantic. Just saying, I'm just putting that out there. But where can Mario go? Alright, he can go up to there. Alright, so you get right here. Just so you can have cover. I wonder what this big prick does right here. Alright, Peach, I never played as her, so it's I should have upgraded her weapon. Nope. I should have upgraded her weapon. Forget that. Forget that. Oh, well then. Never mind then. Alright, well, I'm not restarting the chapter. You can suck my balls if you think I'm gonna do that. But, it looks like I can't upgrade her weapon. Alright. Just won't let me do that, isn't it? Alright, so, hey, why does he automatically move? Oh, okay. I still have a 0% chance of hitting him. How do I have a 0% chance of hitting him there? Alright. Well, how am I supposed to hit them if he's gonna keep, like, moving the thing? I don't know. But, what? She has two things? That's cool, I'm not even gonna lie. What is this duck thing? The duckness? It said I have a 100% chance of doing that. Okay, you know, yeah, Peach used this. What is going on? Peach might be the OG right here. I'm not even gonna lie, I didn't expect him to use that. Actually kinda expected him, oh. He can't move by nowhere. Oh, well, can I slide him? One! I'm sorry, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do it. Okay. Can I slide him with you at least? I can't slide you at all. Okay. Not okay. Alright, I'm gonna get right here. How many turns I gotta wait? Alright, one turn. Jesus Christ. Alright, can I shoot him from here? Would it be a smart idea to shoot him from here? Yeah, I'm gonna shoot him from right here. Then use this. I mean, of course he's immune to the freaking bounce thing. What's it called? Alright, why would he not be immune to that? I might just put her right. Oh. I'm gonna put her right here. Is this cover? Is that cover? Oh, that's not cover. Use your honey. Oh yeah, he's immune to the things. Okay, I don't know who he gonna go for. I don't know if this would be a smart idea. So I'm gonna just... Okay, yeah. So, because if I would have used the thing... What is he... Oh, I didn't know what he was doing at first. Okay, well. Alright, heroes. I'm just going and guess that this whole game I just can't, you know, like, slide him. That's what I'm gonna guess. Oh, I can... Wait. Oh, Peach can have a head-on shot. So, yeah, I'm just going and use this. Okay, yeah, there's way more than this. There's way more than this. There's way more. No, there's no way this is the boss battle. Yeah, there's no possible way that this is the boss battle. There's so much more than this. Alright. I'm gonna use this. Probably wasn't a smart idea because he's out in the open, so he can, like, kind of, yeah. I'm actually gonna get behind cover with her. Mario's out in the open, so I don't know if that's a... He's gonna go for Mario, I know that. Yeah, there's no possible way this is the boss battle. He's too weak. He's at 0 damage already. Alright, yeah, that makes more sense. Okay, now he just doesn't have a shield. That makes way more sense. Alright, go to Mario. So now I can just hit him all I want to. Yep, makes way more sense. I'm just saying, like, there's no possible way that was the boss battle. Okay, alright, now let's shoot you with her. Still immune. I'm fine with it. Can you slide him? Alright. Yes. Heroes in range. Okay. How can you not... Okay. Alright, that's what makes it harder. Alright. Oh, wait, was that his attack? Okay, that wasn't his attack. Okay. Okay, so the enemy can come out. And it's the smashers. Of course they... Never mind. Can I slide you? Okay. I mean, I was just checking, like... Now it's just a thing of which one should I hit. Which one would be smarter? I'm gonna hit this one. Why not? Him. I'm probably gonna have to do like this 3 times over. I could imagine that. Okay, so well, I'm gonna just go ahead and slide you. Well, alright, nope, no reason for me to go that way. I'm gonna just... Dang it, I thought I could shoot him from there. Oh well, I'll be alright. I know, I just want to shoot the block. Pricks. That's okay, not really. Go to Mario. Slide him. How far can Mario freaking be able to shoot him? How far he gotta be? I'm just saying, like, okay, he gotta be like right next to him just to shoot him. Alright, well, I'm gonna actually go hit this one, actually. There we go. And now he can't move. But he can still hit me. Yeah, okay. And then... 1 block away! I'm sorry. I'm gonna stop. Alright, do your damage to Peach again. That took away Bai's. He's dead now. Nice. Amazing. Because this is real fair. This is really fair. Yep, really fair. Okay, well. How much does your slide do? Not that much. Well, nice. Okay, well. Can't do that much. I really can't do that much. This is nice. This is amazing. I did not think this boss battle was going to be that hard. And this prick still freaking... Where does this tunnel go? Oh! She actually has a thing of hitting the big guy. Can she hit him from here? I can't tell. Alright, she do. Gosh, she can tell. And I just realized he could... That other guy can still hit me. That big guy right there, he can still... Because he can go through the tunnel. He can do the exact same thing I did. Technically, so... So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and use this. This is really gay. This is gay, I'm not even gonna lie. This is pretty gay. I forgot how much he does. 70. That'd be gay if you'd be able to hit me. And he's just gonna go through the pipe and do exactly what I said he was gonna do. Yeah, I just thought about that. He can just do the exact thing that I did. And yeah. And she went out of bounds. She's probably dead now or not. I'm fine with it. That was pretty gay. Not even gonna lie to you. That was probably one of the gayest things that could have happened. But okay. Don't get mad about it. Don't get mad. No, I'm gonna keep going for this guy. Cause that's the real threat. This guy right here. Every time it does 60... Never mind. Never mind. Okay, I'm fine with it. No, never mind. I can't believe Mario died. Okay. Really? Neither one would do anything? Oh, is he actually dying? Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Oh, his legs are just gone now. Where is he? Oh, he's all the way back there. How much health he got? How much health he got? 500 again. Amazing. I'm not gonna win this. I'm just telling you that now. I'm not winning this. Guys, this is bull. Peach, use it. What's your little special thing? Oh, she doesn't have one. And she's dead. I hate this game so much. Screw this game. And then there's supporters. Just support him. Like, how am I supposed to do this? Come on now. And then I can barely go. Okay. Oh my god. Wow. 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 Okay. Well, I'm gonna just try. Never mind. I'm gonna just see you guys back at the thing. Alright, guys. So we back finally. Back at this part where he just goes next to the supporters so he can support himself. If that makes sense. Alright, but yeah. So I just kept him next to Peach because Peach got something to help him. I don't know what it is specifically, but Peach got something that can help them. So I'm gonna just stay back here. Try to kill these big guys. Wait, oh yeah, I already used all the things. So yeah, I guess I should probably get like back here. Peach already moved. Alright, well, hopefully he doesn't have long range. Okay. And these guys just come in, pause, and come in, and yeah. What's going on? I thought he could throw a bomb. I was about to get pissed. I'm just saying, I was about to get pissed, though. Because I really thought he could throw a bomb. There we go. And then, can you slide him? No, you can't slide him, so it's no need. You can slide him, though. And you can get behind here. I'm just kill them all one by one. Just kill them all one by one. There we go. You're dead, right? You're dead? Of course you're not dead. Alright, but, how much? Probably 1, 2? Yeah. I suspected that. Because, screw this game. Okay, did Peach move? No, she didn't move. Well, Rabbit Peach. Because I want to put Peach right there. so she could shoot that guy. Or the other, nope. Oh, she can't shoot any of them. Which one would be smarter? Yeah. Alright. Okay, so that guy's gonna catch up to Peach, most likely. But I'm gonna use this, because it looks like he's looking at Rabbid Peach. So, yeah. Okay, he couldn't make it. Who you gonna go for? Alright, he was gonna go for Peach anyway, let's be real. And of course he used that. 150. Alright. It's not okay. I was about to say it's okay, but it's not okay. Of course you get right there. That'd be bull if you could still throw a bomb. Alright, so I gotta kill these guys before they come over here. Just saying. There we go. Wouldn't be a smart idea to shoot him. Yet. Alright, then there we go. And then I'm gonna get... Okay, I got an idea. I'm gonna slide him. Get right here. Alright. I'm gonna use this. There we go. Shoot him. He couldn't move anyway. And he was gonna die anyway. Alright, well. I'm fine with it. Don't worry about it. Alright, then Peach, you can get right here. Doesn't Peach... No, Peach don't got long range. Peach has horrible range. She can't shoot anyone. Please be able to... Of course you can't get her. Alright, well. Can anybody else use their things? Alright. Because he can't move anymore. Alright, they're not gonna come back here. They're gonna stay close to him so they can support him. Alright, that's okay. Not really. But I'll just get closer to them. It's alright. I'll just get closer to... I don't know how she's doing that right now. But okay. I think because she team jumps. I'm pretty sure that's why. I think I want to get right here. Because I don't want to get too close because I know the ice person can shoot him. Okay. But yeah, I don't want to get too close because I know the ice person can still shoot. See? He can still shoot. And of course he uses that. And they about to come all the way over here. And I know they about to be able to use bombs. Still be able to use bombs. Okay, then. I don't want to get next to this ice thing. We barely got any cover over here. It's such a bull. Okay. Hopefully that... Okay. Okay. I just did that so she can heal both of them. Alright, good. You can use that. Yeah, how does it feel? I'm sorry, because they always use bombs. So it's so freaking annoying. Alright, then I'm gonna go ahead and slide you, and then I want to get right here. Forgot about him. Okay, can't shoot him. Come on, move. Alright, y'all not gonna move. Alright. And that's okay. Mario just gonna keep shooting the thing then. It's okay. Hold on. Team jump. Can you get like right back where you are? Thank you. There you go. Dang it, I thought I was gonna team jump. What's her face? Alright. That's okay, because Mario will just shoot the barrier. Now you're going to have to move, but they don't have a thing. Or what's it called? Alright, use this. Still can't shoot him. Okay. Well, I know I didn't do the amount of turns. That's not fair that he can use that freaking once every one turn. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. Okay. Oh my god. I hate this game so much. I swear to God I do. Oh my god. Wow. This is such a bull. Alright, let's be real. Rabbid-P's gonna die. I forgot he can technically use that every fucking turn. Okay. Guys, my heart's beating. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. My heart's beating. It would be smarter for her to get right here. And then her use this. It doesn't matter if it kills it. It's just so it can get down that cover right there. Oh, she actually did kill her. Kill him. Yeah, I'm gonna use it. There we go. And then oh, can he go through the pipe? That's such bull. You can't one freaking thing away of going through the pipe. I really don't want to get next to them. I'm gonna get behind here. I'm just get behind here. Cause I know Rabbid-P's gonna die. So yeah. Maybe he won't move. Maybe he will move. I meant to say. How did she not die? Oh, yeah, bomb. Yeah, forgot about that part. Okay. Of course you don't move. You just wasted my thing. Okay, then team jump. There's no cover. I'm gonna have to get right here. Cause yeah. Cause they have to get close to him eventually anyway. And just let them. I did that so they can recover. Get some health back. Oh, this game is such bull. And he can use that. He can use this thing again. Oh my god. Mario and Peach right now. Hold on, which one would be smart? Okay, I'm gonna use this one. This person right here. Cause yeah, he's gonna shoot him. Oh, he shot both of them anyway, so I guess it doesn't matter. Which one would be smart? No, this one. Hold on. Which one would do more damage? Her gun. There we go. So then Mario can come in. Of course. That always happens. Why? That's how you know they cheated me. I'm sorry, they cheated me. So Peach was right here, right? She went through the tunnel. She was able to hit him. But now Mario was right there. I'll go through the tunnel. He can't hit her. He can't hit him. That is such a bull. That is such a bull. And I feel like, let's be real. Oh my god, I'm so glad. 30 minutes of this stupid. I feel like I want to get back here, but I feel like I'm making a huge mistake by getting back here, if that makes sense. Because I feel like he can't turn around, obviously. Why are these pipes here then? What's the point? That probably wasn't a smart idea. Because now Peach and Mario are separated. There we go. And you just let them do the same thing. Regrow some health. I don't know why I say health like health, but health. Guys, this boss battle's bull. This boss battle's pretty bull. Not even gonna lie. There we go. And then, which one would be smarter to use? Okay, so I kind of get. I'm gonna use this. There we go. And I'm gonna just keep going back and forth. Why not? Actually, no, I'm gonna try right here because those pipes have to be there for something. I don't know what, but they have to be there for something. I'm gonna try getting right here though. No, I'm not. Forget that. I'm just keep going back and forth. Forgot about that. Please don't do a lot of damage. I don't think Peach's health can do that much for this amount of time. I'm just saying, I don't think it can. There's no reason to use this. Because he can't move. But I'm going to use it anyway. Because I don't know. Yeah, I'm going to use it anyway. Then go in here. Can't screw up these placements like you usually do. Okay, freaking hint about this boss battle that if I hit him with some certain move that it will do like some type of work, but this is bull. Alright. Alright, now we got shields. Why does... Oh, I was about to say, why doesn't it put shields on Peach? But, never mind. How much health you got? 245. Will I be able to do this, guys? Well, nope, not a smart idea to go with him first. I'm just keep going back and forth. Just keep going back and forth. And I tend to have a free time when he doesn't have the little thing on. Such a bull. Okay. Guys, oh my god! This is pissing me off. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, which one would be smarter to use? Alright, so at the corner of the 8, that's the gun. Alright, I'm gonna use the bomb. And now that barrier's gone. Okay, well. Nope, going with Mario first. There we go. There we go. There we go. Wait, is Peach not that? Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I saw her doing like this. I was about to be pissed because we would definitely be screwed. Now I'll be pissed if she would have died there. That would be the worst time to die. I swear it would. Okay. I'm glad she got that little health thing, because if she didn't, if I would have had an upgraded weapon, this freaking boss battle would probably been done. Wait, what did I say? Thank God. Guys, I swear to God if there's more, I'm ending this Let's Play. I'm ending this Let's Play if there's more. Okay, I think it's like, I don't think it's that much. They doing too much on this boss battle. I'm just saying, they are. Hold on. Okay, I just have to hit this once, I guess. Maybe hit it with a bomb, probably. I'm gonna get right back here. God, okay. You know, this is the second time Rabbid Mario was frozen. Has been frozen. And Peach and Rabbid Mario technically have the same gun. But we are honored to have you join us, Your Royal Highness. May I suggest we return to your castle so we may prepare for our next match. That'll be Peachy. Alright. 18 out of 10 motherfuckers. Yeah, World 3 Spooky Trails. Alright. We ain't gonna stop till we see that one scroll, though. I know that. Poor thing I don't sleep myself, but if I did, I'd probably dream about intelligent machines taking over the world. I don't think I want to trust Beepo anymore. I'm just saying. I don't. Okay, we got a statue. Alright. Alright, I see. I get it now. Well, obviously, I'm supposed to put it somewhere over here, right? Right here? Boom, boom, boom. I don't know. Alright, oh well. Too bad. Oh! Alright. This world's gonna be bull. I already know it is, because it's boo. It's like a boo world, haunted. Spooky Trails, a place deserving of its name, I see. No sign of Bowser Jr. or Spiny, they could be anywhere. Hey, we got an email. Perhaps our mysterious benefactor has the answers we seek. Congrats on finding Spooky Trails. Isn't it great? Check out the gate in front of you. Okay. Well, our guardian angel is good. Behind the moon gate is the cure for the plague that ravaged the Mushroom Kingdom for too long. A champion that has long been asleep will awaken and set things right. But to get him, you'll need to find the two lost relics of goodness. Find the relics and the champion, and Mr. Tom Fan shall awake and sing with joy at having you before him. That sounds nice. We don't have many clues, but at least we have a plan. Let's find these relics, shall we? Why don't they like clapping like that? I'm sorry. Alright, 3-1 looking for Mr. Tom Fan. What picture? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and end the episode off there, of course. 40 minutes, too much. Please like, subscribe, and peace.